We're here today with today's man of the match, Kevaughn, an outstanding performance baller. Speak to us about your performance today, first and foremost.
First and foremost, I have to say thank God for the 3 points. The team has done a pretty good job, and my performance, I have to say I've done well, but could have done a lot better. But I'm pleased with what happened today, because 3 points is the most important.
Alright, so you started the game, in the midfield, more of an attacking role. Absolutely bossing the game, spreading the ball around, advancing the ball from the midfield to the forward line. Speak to us about your role in this Jamaica College team.
My role, is to just do what I do best, take on defenders, create a lot of chance, and that's what the coach want me to do. So I just have to execute it in each game and improve.
Alright, so in the middle of the first half, we saw you make a run down the midfield, as you normally do, but this time you came under no pressure. What went through your head right before you struck that ball?
And when I received the ball, I see that there was no pressure, so I said I could give it a try, and I did, and it went into the back of the net.
Is this something that you normally do? Is that something that you possess in your artillery, to kick the ball from about 25 yards out?
Yes, but I've been dreaming of it to come into a game, and I'm very happy to do it in this game today.
Alright, JC, 6 points from 2 games in the second round. Already secured qualification to the semi-finals. Are you guys looking towards the semi-finals, or are you guys still focused on finishing out the group strong?
It's game by game, so we're waiting on the game Friday, and then we take it from there.
Alright, so game Friday. High morals, high spirits. How do you feel about that game coming up?
We are very confident going into that game, and we just have to do what we do best,
Alright, good game again. Man of the match, please.
Thank you.